Knocked away from the puck by Achari. Now Cernak once again. Coburn comes in with a hit, and Kuraly is down.
Donnie Del Negro is going to make the trot out for Sean Kuraly. He's a big, tall fella. Comes in on Kuraly. Kuraly's unsuspecting. The shoulder comes in and the extension and Cernak. So the whiplash effect clearly apparent. Unsuspecting player, high hit, hard to the head, and the extension of the elbow. I think that makes it a problem for Coburn.
Cernak chasing him. They're fighting for the puck. Doesn't really see Coburn, who comes in and blasts him, but no call is made, and I don't think there should have been one.
Kuraly has gone to the Bruins locker room.